This is going to be a video product review of the Luguiic Hot and Cold Therapy Ice Compression Sleeve for your ankle. For foot pain, plantar fasciitis. My mom's got that. It's a terrible thing when your arches hurt, when your foot hurts. This is what you need, is an ice pack. She used an ice pack. Her doctor told her use ice. You can use heat. It will make it feel really good. Ice will help it a lot. Sprained ankle. We all know I've had a sprained ankle. You want ice. You definitely want ice. Achilles tendonitis. It's beautiful. It looks really neat. A package of one. Safe and reusable, expert grade gel, flexible, stretchable. As I said, hot and cold. Pain and swelling relief wearable for the ankle. 360-degree compression, which is important. You want an ice pack to be tight. I will leave a link in the video description so that you can purchase this. They make such really nice products. I love everything this company sells. Very, very solid. It's got weight to it. It definitely has weight, and that's what you want. You put this in the freezer, keep it on for about 15-20 minutes. Get rid of the swelling, get rid of the tension, get rid of the pain. You know, this is made for your ankle. If you've got problems with your wrists, I know they sell things for your wrist. If you have problems with your wrist, with your forearm, if you've got carpal tunnel, this thing fits really nice. You could use this for your feet or for your forearm, for carpal tunnel, for your wrist. You could even slide this thing up. If you have elbow problems, if you've got bicep problems, you could probably slide it all the way up your arm. I'm sure you could not only keep it on the ankle where it's got this little bend over here, but you could probably put this up around your calves if you have pain when you're running or jogging. So I'm going to take this and put this in the freezer. I'm going to put it on my ankle, which my left ankle's been bugging me a lot because I'm flat-footed. And I'll come back and I'll let you know what I think of this Luguiic ankle compression sleeve. I'm going to be doing it with ice. I prefer ice to hot to heat, but either one is good for you. You can put this in the microwave or you can put it in the freezer and get it ice cold. It's heavy, it's solid, it's good. It's not cheap, it's good quality material, stretchable. I'll be back, I'm gonna test it out. Here we are with the Luguiic ankle ice pack straight out of the freezer. It's flexible, which is what you want. It is cold. And I'm gonna put it on the foot right now. Let me take my sock off. There it is. It is cold. I was really worried that it was gonna be so absolutely freezing cold, like it really is, that it was going to burn, ice freeze my skin. Now, this is really cold. This was in the freezer for a day. This is exactly what you would get if you went to a physical therapist. It feels really cold and it feels good, and if you have a sprained ankle or if you have problems with your feet, this is cold. It's probably going to take care of all the swelling. I lowered it down a little bit. Woo-hoo! Boy, anybody that's worried about getting an ice pack that is not cold enough, you don't have to worry about that. This thing is going to take care of you. I've got this on my foot. If you have plantar fasciitis or problems with your bottom of your foot, your arches, your toes, swelling, pains, this is going to take care of you. I'm going to put on a sock now because this is really cold. There we are. It's been on my foot for about a minute, and I'm starting to feel the same cold. But what I would do is I would buy this thing and use it with a sock so that you do not freeze the skin. And whew, does this feel absolutely remarkable. Keep this on for about 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. It's fine. I feel the cold through the sock. It's perfect. And then if it's not as cold, take the sock off and put it directly on the skin. But you're going to get a lot of swelling relief by buying this product. The Luguiic Ankle Ice Pack Wrap for injuries, Achilles tendons, edema, plantar fasciitis, sprains, swelling. Wonderful product. I'll leave an affiliate link in the video description. The cold is just going deep into the foot right now, and it feels absolutely incredible. Buy this today.